Internxt Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Internxt isn't just cloud storage, you won't believe the security and privacy built into its pricing. Most people get this wrong by comparing it only to mainstream providers. The surprising truth is Internxt uses end-to-end encryption and zero-knowledge architecture, giving you privacy without sacrificing accessibility. Pricing starts at $99 per month for 20 GB, $99 for 200 GB, and $99 for 2 GB. You won't believe the inclusions: encrypted file sharing, cross-platform access, and zero-knowledge security for all data. Yearly plans offer up to 20% savings. Unlike other cloud services, Internxt focuses on user privacy and GDPR compliance as part of the cost. Most people get this wrong by judging price solely on storage space. The real value comes from security, privacy, and convenience. For example, sensitive business files or personal documents remain fully encrypted, reducing the risk of data breaches. Combined with easy collaboration and mobile access, Internxt offers more than just cloud storage. In conclusion, Internxt pricing reflects both storage needs and privacy priorities. By comparing storage size, encryption features, and subscription length, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you truly get for your money. It's more than cloud storage, it's peace of mind for your digital life.